Anyone can start.
Tobo, see you on a shrine.
Double magazine.
Double magazine.
Keep this one.
See you. No, I go hold up. This one, I carry and go. I go tie up. Na souvenir. Your nonsense. We know the work. I'm a million na ba. Woka man nachi. Double magazine. Why are you running? Murife, why are you running? See your shrine. See your offer. We don't lose and finish. See what in the men. We don't this one reach like this. Now this one be on offer. Well, now they use you divination. We know they see anything. Okay, carbon powder. Hold on. I go pack him. Nezenu powder. Double magazine. I can paragede here. I got paragede here. Thunder gabobugi. Ma bojia. We'll make you break and first. Wait. Hold on.
I'm not breaking what you say.
I won't break him. Hold on. Wait, we'll put them. Hold on. I will put them. Okay, here. We don't push them for that. Break them. Ndara. No be your parady here, double magazine. No be your staff. Unyamuka. Tobo. Wait, give me this one. Yeah, this one go enter bag. Yeah, you mama see nonsense. Which are the way I made you useless people. Useless people. No, this one is souvenir. Wait till you power day here. Which nonsense power? Double magazine. See your nechigi. See your God as a whole. Ne your God, ne your four and your walking stick. Ne ye jichige me. Iberibe. Tobo. Ne chayu na bi wetara na ani Igbo ebubu na technology. Oro bi shako nde ba be koyi. Very we go burn everything there. People. We call them ndi mkpuru mmiri. See wetin they use the small the mkpuru mmiri. Ne cup ha jangu mkpuru mmiri here. See the mkpuru mmiri cup bunker here. Useless people. Ne ha ndi mkpuru mmiri. Ne. See wetin they use they drink the mkpuru mmiri. They smoke the mkpuru mmiri. Umu okoko. Ne ha. They go smoke finish. Carry people use knife. If you talk, they say they fight for Biafra. Mkpuru mmiri Republic of Biafra. You see I'm here. See I'm. Ndi mkpuru mmiri. Neha. Nechuno, I can be chuno. I see hold on a God. Wait, make I go where I go see only my face. I see. I they come. See on a God. The remaining one don't they burn. I don't tie the other one. I they carry on a God. They go like this. You see them. I they double magazine. See your walking stick. See on a God. They burn. I carry the other one. I tie him here with your stick. See your mkpuru mmiri this thing. See him. Useless set of people. Why would you propose you like this? Follow the middle man now. Look at where they are comfortably staying. After they burnt the house, they just decided to stay in the ones they didn't burn, comfortably cooking. Yeah. Resort. No need, just don't go and touch it. Yeah, I already touched it. Let's go, let me show you the chemical. This is the bag of nails for their IEDs. Useless people. The sulfuric chemical they are using for their IEDs, it smells of death in here. See it. They had to burn it. They were in a haste. They couldn't move, so they had to burn it. Have they checked inside this well? Nothing inside. No water. Potassium nitrate. This is what they are using to manufacture their IED.
Carry that.